Hello and welcome to MHT. Health and beauty are interconnected. If you are healthy, it will reflect in your face, in your hair, and in your body. The cosmetics may help you look beautiful temporarily, but if you want to become beautiful, you can take help from common kitchen items. Today we are going to share the benefits of tomatoes. We will share tasty and easy recipes on how you can add it to your diet and also tips about making homemade beauty products. So please watch this video till the end to know about all the recipes and tips. Tomatoes are a popular and versatile fruit that are often used in cooking and enjoyed in many different forms, from fresh salads to savory sauces. But did you know that tomatoes are also incredibly nutritious and offer a wide range of health benefits? In this video, we will explore some of the most important health benefits of this fruit, so stick around to learn more. Rich in nutrients, tomatoes are a great source of vitamins and minerals that are essential for maintaining good health. They are particularly high in vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin K, all of which play important roles in supporting your immune system, regulating blood pressure, and promoting healthy bones. Tomato juice can improve eye and heart health, and the carotenoids within the juice act as a potent antioxidant, protecting against oxidative damage and reducing inflammation. Tomato juice. You will need 4 to 6 large ripe tomatoes, chopped, a half cup water, a half teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, optional, fresh herbs, such as basil or parsley, chopped, for garnish. Add the chopped tomatoes and water to a blender and blend until smooth. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a large bowl. Add the salt, black pepper, and lemon juice, if using, to the juice and stir to combine. Taste the juice and adjust the seasoning as needed. Pour the juice into glasses and garnish with chopped fresh herbs. If you prefer a sweeter juice, you can add a small amount of honey or sugar to taste. If you prefer a spicier taste, you may add chili flakes or chili sauce. Eating tomatoes regularly is very beneficial in boosting the fertility of a man by as much as 70%. This fruit is also such a rage, especially amongst nutritionists and dietitians, courtesy of their dense nutrient value. It is one of the richest sources of vitamin C and beta-carotene, all of which support heart health. You can add tomatoes to your diet using this delicious and easy-to-make salad. Mediterranean tomato salad. You will need large ripe tomatoes 2, medium-sized red onion 1, garlic 2 cloves, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, fresh basil leaves 10, extra virgin olive oil 3 tablespoons, salt and pepper to taste. Slice the onions and mince the garlic. After 5 minutes, toss all the ingredients together. Add salt and pepper to taste. There is some evidence to suggest that tomatoes may help to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as prostate cancer and breast cancer. This is thought to be due to their high content of lycopene and other antioxidants, which may help to protect cells from damage and prevent the growth of cancerous cells. Tomatoes are also a common ingredient in mouth-watering soups. Here is a quick and easy recipe for creamy tomato soup. Creamy tomato soup. You will need 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 medium onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 cans, 28 ounces, whole peeled tomatoes, 1 cup chicken or vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon dried basil, a half teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon black pepper, a half cup heavy cream, fresh basil, chopped, for garnish. Heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Add the canned tomatoes, including the juice, to the pot. Use a wooden spoon to break up the tomatoes into smaller pieces. Add the chicken or vegetable broth, sugar, dried basil, salt, and black pepper to the pot. Stir to combine. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Remove the soup from the heat and use an immersion blender to puree the soup until smooth. Alternatively, you can transfer the soup in batches to a blender and puree until smooth, then return the soup to the pot. Return the pot to the stove over low heat. Add the heavy cream and stir to combine. Simmer the soup for another 5 minutes to allow the flavors to melt. Ladle the soup into bowls and garnish with chopped fresh basil. Serve the soup with crusty bread or croutons for a delicious and comforting meal. Tomato is very rich in lycopene, a substance that makes the red color in tomatoes. It is very beneficial for your health, especially your skin and hair. It promotes antioxidants and lycopene that are very helpful to prevent hair loss and improve skin health. This fruit can help reduce the sunburn effects from your skin. Tomato sunburn cream. You will need tomato juice 1 part, buttermilk 1 part. Mix tomato juice with some buttermilk and apply it to the skin, allowing it to soak in the coolness of this magic concoction. It will soothe the skin, reduce heat on the skin's surface, and also even out the redness caused by sunburn. Tomatoes are also a good source of fiber, which is important for maintaining good digestive health. Fiber helps to promote regular bowel movements and can help to prevent constipation. Additionally, the high water content in this fruit can help to hydrate the body and keep the digestive system functioning properly. With improved digestive health, tomatoes help remove toxins from the body, making your face glow as well. Additionally, you can use it to make homemade face masks and scrubs. Tomato sugar scrub. You will need whole lemons 2, ice cubes 2, mint leaves 20, tomatoes 2, sugar 5 tablespoons. Blend lemons with peels along with 2 cubes of ice, mint leaves, and tomatoes in a blender. Now add sugar and mix well into this concoction. Use this to scrub onto the face, neck, and hands until the sugar granules have melted. This power-packed scrub can be used to exfoliate, cleanse, detain, and nourish the skin naturally. Use it twice a week for better results. This brightening face mask contains the natural bleaching properties of tomatoes and lemons. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which helps reduce hyperpigmentation and even tones your skin. Tomato and lemon face mask. You will need 1 teaspoon of tomato pulp, 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice. Mix the lemon juice and tomato pulp. Apply this pack to the affected areas of your face. Let it dry for 10 to 12 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry and moisturize. Use lemon juice sparingly as it can cause a burning sensation when used in excess. Anecdotal evidence suggests that bananas help reduce hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It can also nourish and moisturize your skin. Along with tomatoes, it helps to brighten your skin and reduce the aging signs. Anti-aging tomato and banana mask. You will need 1 to 2 tablespoons of tomato pulp, 2 tablespoons of mashed banana. Mix the banana and tomato pulp. Apply this mixture to your face. Keep it on for 20 minutes and wash with lukewarm water. Repeat this twice a week. Tomatoes are an incredibly nutritious and versatile fruit that offer a wide range of health benefits. From promoting heart health to supporting digestive health and improving vision, they are an important part of a healthy and balanced diet. So next time you're preparing a meal, don't forget to include plenty of tomatoes.